Alright, with me again, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Zoom VOMERO 5 yellow Ochre colorway. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, the gray line here on the fake one is slightly to the right compared to the authentic one. It has a small gap, where it's on the fake one here, there's a lot of gap here between the stitches and the gray line. And also this, on the marking area here on my pointer, the stitches here isn't centered. It should be like the authentic here, so there is a little bit gap on the right side and on the left side of the stitches. Look at on the fake one. Next one here, as you guys can see on the authentic one, Nike shoes, it has a yellow stitches here, where it's on the fake one there is no yellow. It's hard to see, by the way. And also here the stitches here isn't centered on the yellow layer. It should be like the authentic here. It's right in the middle, it's centered. Another one here, the silver line here is slightly come up, isn't centered like the authentic one here, but it's right in the middle. And also the tip of the Nike shoes here is too big on the fake one. On the authentic one is looking sharp. Another sample also, as you guys can see, the brown layer here isn't centered, slightly to the right here, slightly come up. It should be like the authentic here, centered between the two stitches here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see, there is no yellow. It's hard to see, I think. And also the gap here on the plastic material is too narrow. It's a little bit slightly go down compared to the authentic one. It has a lot of gap. And also the stitches here, is looking straight, whereas on the authentic one here it's a little bit wavy, it's a little bit curved. Another sample also, as you guys can see, this one, the pattern is slightly go down. The plastic here slightly go down, it has no gap, it touched the midsole. Next one also, the color of the plastic here is looking terrible. This one is light cream, this one is dark, I think it's a brown color on the authentic one. And also there is no yellow color, yellow stitches on the fake one, right on top of the Nike shoes here on the fake one. Compared to the authentic one here, there is a yellow color. Looking from above here, as you guys can see on the marking area, the stitches here just straight horizontal, where it's on the authentic one here. Look at on my pointer. As you can see, the shape is just like the line here. I draw like this. And also on the Nike label here, the stitches is not fully touch the edge of the label. Just like the authentic here, it's slightly longer. And also on the toolbox here on the stitches, there is only one stitches here on top of the tongue, whereas on the authentic one there are two stitches here. It's very clear. And moving to the back of the shoes on the heel, the Nike shoes here on the fake one, it just printed logo, whereas on the authentic one it's embroidered logo. And also there is a white glue stain on between the upper material and the midsole on the fake one here compared to the authentic. The authentic is looking so good, looking very clean. Another one also, as you guys can see, still same. Look at on my pointer here, there is a little bit gap between the midsole and the pattern here and the design. There is a little bit gap, whereas on the fake one there is no gap here. The design is slightly go down, it touched the midsole. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question or request, just feel free to DM me on my Instagram or just put in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.